Makabuklat na ikiting lalawigan, impeka bayong Havaianas Store, alayong mamaya mas marakalapi pamilyang summer footwear kareng Kapampangan. Kaya katang silipan ng pamamuklat na ni King report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Official ning pesi na yan, ning peka bayong Havaianas Store, ketiking SM City, Pampanga, ngining abak ning Martis, November 27. Agpangkang Ann Gonzalez, Managing Director ning Havaianas, pinili ning Pampanga bilang peka bayong lokasyon ning mesabing brand ning chinelas, uli ning akakit kanong balaw sa pamagtangkilik dareng Kapampangan keti.
Pampanga has always been a key market for Havaianas. Even before Havaianas opened any store or outlets here in Pampanga, we'd always find that some of our best customers that would come all the way to Metro Manila were always from Pampanga. So Pampangueños really have embraced the brand.
Kay ba't ning mapagalaobra ning Pinoy king patingapon, pipili na pamuring mipasno at mag-relax, sulod ring preskong chinelas.
Comes also with the character of Pampangueños. While they're hardworking, they're strong-willed and driven, they also embody a lifestyle that's very casual.
Peg maragul namo namang Aaron Montenegro, mall manager ng SM City, Pampanga, na metong iti ka rin peka maragula concept store ng Havaianas king bansa.
We'd like to invite all the shoppers out there to please visit Havaianas store here in SM Pampanga. There's a wide array of Havaianas that is being offered only in this store, and syempre they have a special offering for the opening.
Para karang manintun pang regalo o kaya naman personal na gamit o summer footwear, malyaring silipan ni peka bayong branch ng Havaianas.
I'd like to invite all the Kabalen here to SM City, Pampanga for our newest store of Havaianas. And really, as the saying goes for our brand, let's summer.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force, Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.